Hello, this is Tungal School of Basic and Applied Sciences, Degree College. I am Ramanjan sir. In continuation of lecture 6, let us see the lecture 7. Lecture 7, seventh problem. Find the real root of the equation x cube minus 5x plus 1 is equal to 0 in close interval 0, 1 by the bijection method, bisection method, correct up to 3 decimal places. 3 decimal places. Right. So the problem is now in lecture 7, find the real root of the cubic equation x cube minus 5x plus 1 is equal to 0 in close interval 0, 1 by the bijection method, correct up to 3 decimal places. The approximate root of the equation is up to 3 decimal places. Right. The solution is having the similar procedure as we discussed in previous problems. Of course, a little bit is change in this. Let f of x is equal to x cube minus 5x plus 1 is equal to 0. Next, as interval is given 0, 1, put that 0 in place of x. F of 0 is equal to 0 cube minus 5 into 0 plus 1 is equal to 1 is greater than 0. Next, f of 1 is equal to 1 cube minus 5 into 1 plus 1 is equal to minus 3 is less than 0. So that f of 0 into f of 1 is less than 0. Even the procedure also we have f of a into f of b is less than 0 in the interval, close interval a, b. But here sign changes. Previously, as first lower limit we can substitute, it should be less than 0. The other one should be greater than 0. So that even here the interval is to be 0, 1, the limit or the root lies between 0 and 1. So that first approximation root is first approximation root x1 is equal to 0 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 0.5. So it is the midpoint. As the graph is to be, it is like this. So f of 0 is greater than 0. This is f of 1 is less than 0. So in the previous problems, the function first is f of less than 0 and f of the upper limit is greater than 0. So that now the function is to be like this, whereas this is x1. And now the right side is the positive values. This is the positive side. Take the positive side, and this is to be the negative side, the values. So previously here is to be the left side. From that value is to be the positive values, and this side is to be the negative values. So that a little bit is change in this problem. Here sign changes f of x less than 0, f of x less than 0 in left interval comma f of x greater than 0 in the right interval. Right. So put that f of x1 is equal to f of 0.5 is equal to 0.5 whole cube minus 5 into 0.1 plus 1 is equal to minus 1.375. As it is less than 0, whenever 0.5 is the mid value and f of x1 value is less than 0, automatically the root lies between to the left side from that value. So that the root lies between from 0.5 to the left side, so that it is 0 and 0.5. Next, second approximation root x2 is equal to 0 plus 0.5 divided by 2 is equal to 0.25. So put the 0.25 in the function. F of 0.25 is equal to 0.25 whole cube minus 5 into 0.25 plus 1 is equal to minus 0.234 is less than 0. So again the root lies between, suppose 0.25 is in the middle of this, so to the left side, so that the next root lies between the root lies between 0 and 0.25. So third approximation root is x3 is equal to 0 plus 0.25 divided by 2 is equal to 0.125, and now its functional value is f of 0.125 is equal to 0.125 whole cube minus 5 into 0.125 plus 1 is equal to 0.376 is greater than 0. So that as root is greater than this, functional value is greater than 0, and from this value in the middle 0.125 to 0.25, the next root. So the root lies between the positive side. Root lies between, from that value 0.125 to the right side and 0.25. Next, x4 is equal to 0.125 plus 0.25 divided by 2 is equal to 0.1875. Next, f of 0.1875 is equal to 0.1875 whole cube minus 5 into 0.1875 plus 1 is equal to 0.069. It is greater than 0. So that the root lies between, the root lies between, the root lies between as greater than 0, 0.1875, and here is the middle value 0.1875. Its right side is 0.25. Next, x5 is equal to 0.1875 plus 0.25 divided by 2 is equal to 0.21875. Zero point 21875. Next, f of 0.21875 is equal to 0.21875 whole cube minus 5 into 0.21875 plus 1 is equal to minus 0.083 less than 0. So that the root lies between, the root lies between as negative value. So that from this value to the left side it is 0.21875 and 0.1875. So that x6 is equal to 0.21875 plus, right, left side it is, of course, this value and this value, anyhow, 0.1875 divided by 2 is equal to 0.2031. So here is f of 0.2031 is equal to 0.2031 whole cube minus 5 into 0.2031 plus 1 is equal to, so the value is the negative value, it is minus 0 point something it is, that must be less than 0. Next, as it is less than 0 again, the root lies between 0.1875 and 0.2031. x7 is equal to 0.1875 plus, as it is less than 0, 0.2031 divided by 2 is equal to 0.1953. Here is f of 0.1953 is equal to 0.1953 whole cube minus 5 into 0.1953 plus 1 is equal to 0.030 is greater than 0. As it is greater than 0, right, as previously it is greater than 0, so that the root lies between 0.1953 and 0.2031. x8 is equal to 0.1953 plus 0.2031 divided by 2 is equal to 0.1992. Substitute that in the functional value. F of 0.1992 is equal to 0.1992 whole cube minus 5 into 0.1992 plus 1 is equal to 0.0119 is greater than 0. Whenever it is positive, the next root lies between, from this value, middle value, to the right side. So that right side is this. The root lies between 0.1992 and 0.2031. x9 is equal to 0.1992 plus 0.2031 divided by 2 is equal to 0.2011, and its functional value is f of 0.2011 is equal to 0.2011 whole cube minus 5 into 0.2011 plus 1 is equal to 0.0026 is greater than 0. So whenever it is greater than 0 again, this value is the middle value, suppose, and it is to the right side, lies between 0.2011 and its right side is 0.2031. So x10 is equal to 0.2011 plus 0.2031 divided by 2 is equal to 0.2021, and its functional value is to be f of 0.2021 is equal to 0.2021 whole cube minus 5 into 0.2021 plus 1 is equal to minus 2.24 is to be less than 0. As it is less than 0, the root lies between 0.2021 0.2011 and 0.2021. Next, x11 is equal to 0.2011 plus 0.2021 divided by 2 is equal to 0.2016, and its functional value is to be f of 0.2016 is equal to 0.2016 whole cube minus 5 into 0.2016 plus 1 is equal to 1.935. It is greater than 0. As it is greater than 0, the root lies between from this value to the right side is 0.2016 and 0. The right side 0.2021. This is 16, right, and 0.2021. x12 is equal to 0. 2016 plus 0.2021 divided by 2. This is equal to 0.2018. Of course, 5. Take these two up to the 4 decimals, 2018. Next, see that these two values up to the 3 decimal places, since x11 and x12 have the same values up to 3 decimal places, then x is equal to 0.201 is the real root of the equation 1. Real root of the equation 1, as x is equal to 0.201 is the approximate real root of the equation when we correct up to the 3 decimal places. Thank you very much.